Let's take a look at how everything we've discussed together comes together to create a successful certification program. So, like we talked about earlier, it all starts with beginning with the end in mind. Having a clear vision of what success looks like. Why are you creating a certification program? Is it to build skills in your internal workforce? Is it to build up the industry as a whole? Maybe reinforce your brand in the market? Or maybe you want to generate revenue through learning programs. From there, you want to identify the right distribution approach and partners. Are you distributing internally or with a partner platform like Coursera? Or are you selling it to organizations who will host it on their own platforms? From there, it's about sourcing the right SMEs to ensure the accuracy and relevance of your content. And you'll want to consider the best marketing strategy to make sure that your target audience knows about your certification. We've also touched on the importance of skills mapping and creating skills frameworks to ensure that your certification aligns with the actual real world needs. We design backwards from any exams or assessments that will be part of the certification process. Then, as we do our content collection, we're also working on the high level design. This is where we're thinking a lot about storytelling and characters, and what will engage learners and make the content feel relatable. Eventually, we get to the actual nitty-gritty experience design where we prototype and do development, but this should be smooth sailing because all of the hard work that has been put in upfront. We do a lot of user testing and SME validation along the way to be sure we're on the right track and collect early feedback. And finally, after lots and lots of hard work, you're ready to put all of that great learning you've created onto a platform and conduct full QA testing. Marketing and communications ideally have been happening throughout the entire process so that you are ready to hit launch and celebrate your success. This honestly is such an incredible moment every time. We get to take a step back and recognize all the hard work that went into creating a certification. It's an amazing feeling, and on a personal note, it really feels like such a privilege when we get to work alongside amazing organizations like SHRM, Google, Coursera, Intel, and many others on these kinds of projects. Each of those organizations have such amazing talent, and we get to augment that and be part of bringing their amazing vision to life alongside them. So, in the end, you're really not just building a certification program. You really are creating an opportunity for people to develop themselves and learn and grow their careers.